Hey everyone, this is Tim. I hope you're doing well, and it's such a beautiful day in Vancouver. It's been a while and so glad to connect. Work has been crazy busy, but so glad to have this break. And unfortunately, again, here in Vancouver, we have another lockdown. So we can't go visit any restaurants, but we can still gather outside with a few close individuals. So I'm pretty excited because today I'm with Mum, and we're gonna meet with my aunt and uncle outside for a cookout. And a while ago, I posted a video about buying a 200,000 BTU stove to do some wok cooking. And it's pretty cool because from the comments, I see a lot of people doing the same thing and really love reading about what you've been cooking up. And my uncle actually did the same thing. So we did some shopping today with lots of seafood, and we're gonna cook it up in his stove. So thank you so much for joining. Hey Kelly, how are you?
I'm good, how are you?
It's a beautiful day, very good.
I know, I'm just out here doing some gardening.
All right, beautiful garden, and thank you for making the neighborhood so beautiful.
It's a community effort.
All right, so really fantastic people here. I hope you're hungry, I know I am. So without further ado, let's do some cooking and some eating. Come on, let's go. All right. Hi, Uncle Danny.
Oi, Timothy, how you doing?
Oh, very good, very good. Oh, so this is your stove?
This is my brand new baby stove.
Okay.
Yeah.
Let's see.
Well, we just start cooking. You right on time.
Oh, very powerful. And this is a double stove. All right, so we have the seafood that we bought earlier.
Okay.
And let's see what we have here. So Uncle Danny, what are we gonna do?
Well, we're going to, we'll see. We see
Okay,
how it goes.
so we have
Okay.
the lobster and we're gonna deep fry it first.
We go deep fry first.
Excellent, makes it nice and crispy. And then is it ginger, onion, and...
And a little bit of garlic.
Okay, so ginger, onion, lobster
Yeah.
with a little bit of oil. Oil's heating up.
Shake, shake, bake, bake, bake.
All right. The oil is hot enough now. Oh, look at that. All right, first batch. I think this is lobster chow mein. Oh, look at that. All right, there we go. Nice bed of noodles. There we go. What do you have there?
Ginger, onion,
Green onions
green
too.
onions, yeah.
Oh wow, it
So
smells
hot.
so good. Shallots.
Yeah.
And then the lobster.
Oyster sauce. Yeah. Okay.
All right. rice wine, cooking wine.
Okay.
A little bit more stock.
Okay. Lima.
A little bit of salt.
Yeah.
Soy sauce.
Soy sauce.
Oh boy.
Very tasty.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
So some onions.
Yeah.
Tihina. Okay. All right. And then a little bit of cornstarch slurry to thicken it up. It smells really good. Okay. Should I turn down the fire?
No.
Okay.
Okay. You're done. See?
So 2-person job. Okay, add a try. Very good. Oh, so Uncle Danny, what's next?
Crab.
Crab. All right, so crab next, Uncle Danny?
Yeah, crab next.
What are we gonna do?
You deep fry them, do the same thing.
In a cream sauce, in a Parmesan cream sauce.
Yeah.
A little bit of oil. Okay. So again, we have the plastic bag, and then a little bit of flour, or a lot of flour.
Oh, flour.
There we go. Okay, so what do we have, Uncle Danny, again?
We have just some onions,
Okay, and a little bit of butter.
butter. Yeah.
Lots of butter. Very good.
That's the crab.
All right.
Sorry.
Okay. There we go. Oh, a little bit of Parmesan. More butter is always good. Chicken broth.
Yeah.
Okay.
That's okay.
Okay. Some cornstarch.
Just a little bit.
Okay. A little bit cream. Oh, that looks really good. This is very quick.
Very quick.
Oh, I get a little cup.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
But this way
Yeah.
is much better.
So Danny, I think let's get Mum and Aunt
Okay.
Mary,
Sure.
and we'll have lobster and crab.
Sure.
So Uncle Danny,
Yes.
oh, this is the amazing food here. We have the crab, the lobster, and then a nice veggie dish that we did earlier. All right.
I think I have opened the wine.
Okay, cheers.
Yes.
Cheers. Oh, very nice. And I think let's get Mum and Aunt Mary, and we'll enjoy this food. All right, so I can't wait to try the lobster. All right, so a little bit of noodles, nice and crispy and warm. More noodles, and then a beautiful lobster, and then a little bit of crab with the cream sauce. Okay. And that is my first plate so far. All right, so this is my plate here. I have the chow mein noodles, the lobster, and the Parmesan cream crab. Let's give a little bit of the noodles a try. So,
It tastes like Parmesan cheese, eh? Doesn't taste
very
like
nice.
Parmesan cheese.
But the noodles are nice and crispy and a nice lobster flavor. And I think we need to try the lobster. All right, let's give this a try. Ooh, it just falls off. Very nice, perfectly cooked. Very tender, very fresh. I think I'm gonna try the crab next with a little bit of sauce. A little hard to eat, but. Ooh. Well, I haven't tried the crab, but the sauce is very good. Nice and creamy, lots of Parmesan flavor. So thank you so much for joining us. This has had a lot of fun cooking and even more fun eating. So until we see each other again, take care and God bless. Cheers.
Keep healthy.
And keep healthy. Yeah. Very good. How is it, Uncle Daddy?
Oh, it tastes like
Oh.
really nice and creamy. It tastes like Parmesan cheese.